Welcome back, y'all, to your girl's channel. As you can tell from the thumbnail, I got another box from PINCHmeUS.com. Let me pinch myself. Yeah, this real life. Alright, so you and I is about to see what is up in this box, because I really don't know. I've been working my butt off to make sure my kids got their Christmas stuff, and to make sure these bills is paid. Okay, so I do not remember filling out for any samples, but I'm oh so grateful. And let me go ahead and get the peeling this. Alrighty. Oh, it says enter for a chance to win an exclusive deluxe Pinch Me box. Snap a photo of your Pinch Me box with the samples. Okay, let me go ahead and do that. Alright, that's done. Says share using @PinchMe or hashtag #HappyPincher on Facebook and Instagram. I sure will. Tag 2 friends. Okay. I have my stuff. That's what I was reading to you guys. But they have Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So let's dig these samples out, y'all. Alrighty. So I got a Slim Fast Keto Fat Bomb. Keto made easy and fun. This is a coupon to save 50 cents on a fat bomb. I guess it's gonna bomb off the fat. Well, bomb off this fat. Anywho, we have a HelloFresh Pick Your Protein and Make Dinner Delicious. It's new. And they will give us one free HelloFresh Flex Start Kit that's up to $9.99 for free. And it's only available at Target. Hence this. New and only at Target. Okay, that's a great little thing to get. It's free. Up to $9.99. Oh, so this is the fat bomb that they're talking about. That Slim Fast made for people that are on like a keto diet. And it's peanut butter cup flavor. I don't know about this, y'all. I do not like peanut butter, but hey, I know somebody that do. That's going to them. Everybody knows about these Haribo Gold Bears gummy bears. These come with me. Alright. Oh wow. A therapy session hair mask with plant protein and argan oil. Deeply conditions and hydrates and smooth for all hair types. And it's Eva NYC brand. And it's 2 ounces. Ooh, that's a nice sample. Okay. So let's hold up our samples that your girl has told you about so far. And we got our little pamphlets, free coupons on it. Now, Delectables Stew. It's a lickable treat with chicken and tuna in it. And it's for my cats. My cats that's outside. They the neighborhood cats. But hey, yes, that will work. They eat everything that I bring for them. And that concludes this video of my Pinch Me box samples, you guys. And you can go on Facebook, Pinch Me, YouTube, PINCHmeUS, or you can go to what is it, Instagram, and at PINCHme.com. So all that information. Make sure you go to PINCHme.com, you guys, and apply for these little boxes. It don't take much but a click and a push, and you guys gonna get all this nice free stuff. Okay, free. Who don't like free? Y'all rich? I like free. Okay, so let's look at this. Some of the things that you might get in your Pinch Me box, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. If you like this video, I will put all the information that you need to apply for these free sample boxes down below. Thanks for watching.